Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Literature and Random Videos by Neha Sultana. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. आज वीडियो में हम देखेंगे 500 इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस, कॉमन सेंटेंसेस एग्जाम्पल्स. तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें प्लीज़, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए एंड ऑफ कोर्स आपको अगर कुछ क्वेरीज होंगे रिगार्डिंग द वीडियो देन प्लीज़ कमेंट मी. ओके, सो हियर इज़ द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. थोड़ा सा जूम कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट वन है हाई वोल्टेज डू नॉट टच. सेकेंड वन है हाउ ब्यूटिफुल दिस सिटी इज़. थर्ड वन है ही इज़ सच अ काइंड पर्सन. बट डोंट फॉरगेट वॉट आई सेड. यू आर सच अ लायर. वॉट अ क्यूट स्क्वेरल कब. What an idea. Hooray, we won the match. What a wonderful gift. What a bad man he is. I'm so angry right now. What a rude girl she is. How much my flowers grieve in the sunlight. What a colorful bird it is. You did a great job. Emily's car was so amazing. How fast did you speak? I have a great idea. I love you. I did it. Wait, that bridge is rotten. Stay there. Don't come here. What a cute child. Let the stone fall on me. Let the stone fall on me. I'm so mad at her. Please help me now. Off. What does this kid eat and drink there? Your kitten is such a sweetie. This cake is so ugly. Wow, he doesn't know much. I saw my favorite movie. I hate you. We won. Excellent. This is such an amazing meal. What a good dog. Here he comes. Hey! Come here, Ella, quick. Caution, the soil may slip. What a shame. Oh my God, would you stop by here? Oh, are you here? Oh, I was going to be there now. Wow, I like you. How interesting he is. That birthday girl was so beautiful. Oh no, he is not coming to the party. Sarah, wipe the board. There is a snake in the backyard. Beware. Well, enough. This is Sparta. What beautiful roses. Ice cream waffles are my favorite. Hop. This is private property, you cannot. Wow, you didn't win the exam. Congratulations. Don't talk, get out. What a beautiful day. What an ugly duck. Great, let's go to the movies. Ha. Okay, now it's beautiful. Ouch, it's hurting. Alas, it will rain again. Don't do that. Hello, listen. How clever you are. Wow, the puppy is so cute. Hey, no smoking. Hey, no smoking in here. Thanks, boss. What a beautiful daisy. What a coincidence this is. God, I'm in heaven. What a beautiful girl she is. How sweet a dog it is. What big eyes you have, Grandma. Like you are a big person. Happy birthday, Mommy. I'm not taking it. I'm angry. Whoa, I missed the service. What a happy ending. How slow they speak. What a cute cat. No more give up. What beautiful music he listens to. What a beautiful morning this is. I hate you. This is great car. Hurrah! We have won the contest. What a loving mother you have. How clever she is. What a sweet dog it is. I'm really going to miss this place. It is so bad. I will see the reports on my desk tomorrow. It's snowing. We won. What an awful weather. My father loves me very much. You don't have children? You know that I love you. You love me. Cars in the parking lot are very expensive. The sea is really beautiful. They don't go to school tomorrow. If he is available, ask him to call me. Every child likes an ice cream. Cats hate water. Scientific articles are written in the company. He doesn't teach math. The train leaves at 10:30 in the morning. She always forgets her purse. The trees here are very tall. The train leaves the station at 11 p.m. tomorrow. He comes here every week. When does class begin tomorrow? How often does it rain in London? Do they eat meat? We go to a gallery every day, every Sunday. You know that I love you. Workers work in the factory. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. Children love the park. I like reading detective stories. Water freezes at 0 degrees. The sun rises in the east. Alex has a basketball. The water of this stream is not clean. She lives in London. I and my sister don't see each other anymore. She doesn't live here. He goes to school. You don't need me anymore. I don't like spinac. There are 5 cars in the parking lot. I like geography and science. Every Tuesday there is a math lesson at school. We walk slowly. Finnish is an aquatic animal. Sorry, fish is an aquatic animal. Villagers do not like to talk much. A chemist sells medicines. She is always hungry. I have breakfast at her 7:30. Does she live in Paris? He gets up early every day. Samuel sleeps 6 hours every night during the week. When does the train usually leave? If you make a cake, you firstly break eggs. Baby wakes up if we make too much noise. My father's car is red. My mom cooks for us. Water boils at 100 Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius. And my teacher sometimes forgets his keys. He loves to play basketball. He is not someone who cares about me. We love chocolate. Factories pollute the environment. Who lives in Madrid? Do you play the piano? I like ice cream. There are two teachers in the school. My mother cleans the house in the evening. Cold water is consumed in summer. My mother has a tumble dryer. They drive the kids to school every day. Alex lives in Paris. There are many forests in the country. They speak English in USA. The train leaves every morning at 18 a.m. My brother's dog barks a lot. They speak English very well. My uncle is a computer engineer. I don't like tea. I'm not married. I always have lunch at noon. There is a path from here to the village. She doesn't study German on Monday. Does he play tennis? People live alone in the city. I have two sons and one daughter. I'm 30. The pictures in the exhibition are wonderful. My son plays chess well. Alex always solves this problem. The new game is really good. I often go to bed at midnight. Apples are grown in summer. I usually listen to music in my room. Swimming is one of the best sports. The trees are really beautiful. She has black hair. I usually have breakfast at 7:30. Julie talks very fast. He studies after school. The children like play toys. We generally sing songs all together. It rains in this forest every summer. We walk slowly. The boys are playing football. After school, they are learning Spanish now. Why aren't you doing your homework? Suzanne is ironing her clothes right now. Mary is at university. She is studying chemistry. She is working right now. They aren't studying English these days. She is constantly changing her hair color. Children are studying their lessons. The man is talking on the phone. You're not sleeping now? They have been arguing. You see, I'm eating. My mother is coming home. What are you doing now? The fans are shouting with joy. He is not working very hard. I'm not watching TV right now. Children are playing in the park. What is Mr. Samuel doing? The company is doing well this year. Birds are chirping in the trees. We are printing a new book. You look sad. Why are you crying? She's playing football. People are waiting for the plane to take off. She's not going with you? I'm going to the doctor right now. I'm not giving it back to you. Many workers are participating in sports. You're not doing that? I'm driving right now. See you later. They are playing basketball. The bus is coming. Be quick. I'm meeting some friends after work. My father is trying to fix the car. I'm becoming better at sitting exams. He's not writing a letter. I'm trying to fix the computer. She's not going with you. They are trying to understand the code. They are running now. My father trying to fix the broken leg of the chair. Are you not talking? She is reading a book. I'm not giving it back to you. The father is flying to Madrid next month. My son is currently studying. We aren't going. It is not helping to me. Please stop it. He's trying to do his homework. The secretary is trying to prepare the report. He isn't working on Monday. Mom and dad are playing tennis. The train is moving, hurry up. Players are fighting hard to win the match. I'm exercising in the park. It is not helping to me, please stop it. We are sitting at the cafe with friends. Are you playing football? The old man is watering the garden. He's shopping at the market. Mary is sitting next to me. The mechanic is trying to fix the engine. I'm walking my dog. The sun is shining and the birds are singing. We currently traveling around London. I'm preparing dinner for you. We are not sleeping. We are eating meat now. It is delicious. I'm not playing football this weekend. Hurry up, the bus is leaving. You are still listening. You are listening music. Is it raining outside? The students are watching the football match. I'm helping my father. Alex is going to a new school next term. We are moving to London. The plane is leaving. We are late. They are not coming, sorry. Everyone is listening attentively in the math class. People are eating in the restaurant. We are meeting at 2 o'clock. The population of the world is rising very fast. Scientists are still working to find a vaccine. I'm going to the library. They are playing the guitar in the classroom. It's raining heavily. I'm studying English. It is not helping to me. Please stop it. Police want drivers. I'm taking you to the market. You're not reading a book right now. The boy is not studying. My mother is cleaning the house. My brother is not sleeping now. He's currently trying to complete his novel. My sister is not completing her work. They are not working with us. He's getting fatter and fatter because of this sickness. Whose book did you bring? It has to be whose book. Whose book did you bring me? Will it hurt? When are the best days to go to the mall? Will you help them? What kind of music do you want to dance to? Will you come with me on a city tour of Paris tomorrow? Did you take the money? How many topics do you have to study? Will you help me? Did we make a cake for you? How far is it between the school and the house? Will you come to school tomorrow? Should I call or email you? Why are you so scared of me? Will you wait for me? Who fixed the computer? How many times do you smoke? Who knows the answer to these questions? Whom did you see yesterday? Why are you not interested? Whose pants are these? Why didn't you go to school? Are you taking the bet? Who did you give the lost cookie to? Did you like it? What's the time? Where is the toilet, please? We are going too fast, aren't we? What kind of music do you like? Does it taste good? What is your name? Why was she so grumpy yesterday? What's the capital of Peru? Did you take your vitamin this morning? What do you think about this subject? How did it get so late so soon? How is the weather there? How many movies did you watch this month? Will you come to school? Do you have the pen? Will you come to class tomorrow? You did your homework too, right? Do you know how to play the guitar? Will Alex come to class tomorrow? Did the teacher give homework? Are you going to buy a new house? Did you buy a computer? What stinks in here? Can you lend me money? Will Jane be able to get to the party in time? What is the name of this book? Which country will you go to for a summer vacation this year? Where are they taking you? Who is the author of this book? Did you watch this movie? Shall we go on a vacation next week? What sort of nation might you want to live in? Who do you believe? Where did you lose your bracelet? Is this what Jessica wants? Can you give me your phone number so I can reach you? Shall we go to the restaurant? What's on your mind? Can you turn on the TV? Did you watch the football game? How do you go to school? What's your shoe size? Do you know how to play football? Which book would you recommend? Can I buy Lego? When are the best days to go to the mall? What kind of music do you want to dance to? Do you know what it is? Did they come to school by car? Where are we going anyway? Is food ready? How old are you? What's for dinner? Who took the glasses on the table? Can you give me a spoon? Where are you from anyway? How about going swimming? What are you hunting? Where are you going to be? How far is it from here? How many topics do you have to study? Did we make a cake for you? What kind of music do you like? How long have you waited? Did you take your vitamin this morning? What do you think about this subject? How did it get so late so soon? Whose is this red big notebook? Do you know how to play the piano? How long Samuel been here? How is the weather there? Did you cook? What's your last name? What's stopping you? If you mix red and white, you get orange. When you mix colors, you get different color. If it snows, the ground gets icy. When water reaches 100 degrees, water boils. If you have works to do, you do not go to bed. You get a headache if you cry a lot. If you drink alcohol so much, you have sickness. Wood doesn't burn if there is no air. You get burned if you touch a fire. If you make a cake, you firstly break eggs. Ask Alex if you are not sure what to do. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. People die if they don't eat. If I wake up early, I go jogging. If my sister has money, she will travel. If you want to give me money, then please subscribe to my channel. If you mix colors, you get different color. If water reaches 100 degrees, water boils. If you cry a lot, you get headache. You get a headache. If you have problems, talk to your doctor. Baby wakes up if we make too much noise. I won't go to the cemetery. We are going to eat. I will stay at home at the weekend. He will call me tomorrow. We will play basketball. Mark will fix my car. Mark will fix my car. I'm going to cook tonight. It won't be very cold next week. He will not drink tea. Will it hurt? I will make a tea. They will win the game. She won't watch the football match. You won't be fired. Dan's going to take the order over to the customer. Don't do something you will regret. They will go to the school. It will stay in the outside. I will ask him about it tomorrow. I don't think Alex will hurt Jessica. She's going to prepare the emails after the meal. Chris dropped his wallet. I will get it and give it to him. Will you come with me on a city tour of Paris tomorrow? Will Jane be able to get to the party in time? Are you going to buy a new house? Which country will you go to for a summer vacation this year? Will you come to school tomorrow? Shall we go on vacation next week? The weather will be warmer next week. You were not at work last Monday. I learned that not everything on the internet is true. I said don't bother here. They hosted us very well. They left without saying goodbye to us. The weather was beautiful yesterday. What time did you go to bed yesterday? We played basketball. We played basketball last Sunday. Didn't he tell you the other day? My sister graduated from school with first place. Congratulations. I passed 6th grade. We won the match and became champions. I told you the computer is broken. I installed the program on the computer. I brushed my teeth in the morning. I took the exam 3 weeks ago. The teacher introduced a new topic. I went to the party yesterday. I went to the military 10 years ago. The three of us shared a chocolate. I went to the theater at 7 o'clock. I went to Italy last year. I started a new job last month. We moved to New York in 2013. He's not going with you. I'm going to the doctor right now. I'm not giving it back to you. Many workers are participating in sports. You're not doing that, right? I'm driving right now. See you later. They are playing basketball. The bus is coming. Be quick. I'm meeting some friends after work. My father is trying to fix the car. I'm becoming better at sitting exams. He is not writing a letter. I'm trying to fix the computer. She is not going with you. They are trying to understand the code. They are running now. My father trying to fix the broken leg of the chair. Are you not talking? She is reading a book. I'm not giving it back to you. My father is flying to Madrid next month. My son is currently studying. We aren't going. It is not helping to me. Please stop it. He is trying to do his homework. The secretary is trying to prepare the report. He isn't working on Monday. तो गाइस यहाँ पे वीडियो ख़त्म होता है. आज की वीडियो में हमने देखा पूरे 500 सेंटेंसेस को इंग्लिश में. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी तो प्लीज़ एक छोटा सा सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए मेरे चैनल को और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए और वीडियो को लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और कमेंट करिए. तो चलो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.